Meaning of emery board.
Emery board.
Emery board.
Emery board.
Emery board. An emery board is a small, flat tool used for filing and shaping nails. It typically has an abrasive surface made of tiny particles of a hard mineral, such as emery or corundum, which can remove small amounts of nail material when rubbed against it. The result is smoother and more even nails that are less likely to snag or break. Emery boards come in different grits, with higher grits being finer and able to create a more polished finish. They are commonly found in nail care kits and beauty supply stores.